Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick share. If you saw my last video or one of my last videos, you will have seen that I made some cards using some pattern paper, some happy birthday cards, and here they are. And I had lots of these scrap papers. And so I cut out a whole bunch of these, are they called banner flags? I think that's what they're called. Anyway, I cut out a whole bunch with the leftover paper that I had. And I made a bunch of these. They're little embellishments for whatever you decide you want to use them for. But I just added some word stickers, added some resin bows, flowers, some sequins, and just layered up the page thing, the banners that I cut out. Added some charms from my stash, and there you go. So yeah, this was a good way to use up your stash. I did use an eyelet with my crocodile. And so if you guys have questions or comments, leave them below. For more videos like these, like and subscribe. And here's some other videos for you. And until my next video, shakas!